Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you some hack and tricks how to keep your eyebrows matte, throughout the day, everyday eyebrows, or going out, whichever way you prefer. But I'm going to be using Dollar Tree pencil, which I think, every time I use Dollar Tree pencil in my skin being so oily, regardless how I do it, it tends to look like very oily. I just did this off camera before I came on, so I wanted to show you how I achieve this one on this side. Okay, so like I said, we are going to use a Dollar Tree pencil, and this is the Wet n Wild Dollar Tree pencil. You can get it from anywhere. Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General, it's $1. So make sure your pencil is sharpened like so. Okay, and another trick that we are going to be using is the Calamine lotion. You guys, I'm gonna put you on this. I already moisturized my skin, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some onto the Q-tip, and I'm going to use that on my eyebrow. So you can use what's the name as well. You will achieve the same one as well. I have used it already on my channel, but I haven't used the Calamine lotion, so I just, because I'm ready to go out, so I just said let me do a quick tutorial to show you guys how to achieve this quick look. Okay, so after you apply it, so let it dry. It does dry 5 seconds or so, and you just go. So you will need your brush and you will need your concealer, whichever one is fine. So now what we're going to do, we're going to draw our eyebrow. Again, sometimes my hand tend to be light, sometimes it tend to be heavy. So whichever day you get the heavy hand, that's what you're going to get. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to draw our eyebrow. Okay, so now then go up here. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're gonna connect, and then I'm going to fill in. Just like so. Okay, so you can always make adjustment as you go on. So now I'm going to use my toothbrush. You can use a toothbrush, a spoolie, or whatever you have to try to get like a faded shade, just like that. Okay, just like that, to take off the hash line. So now that we're done, so we're going to bring our eyebrow a little bit more to match, what we already done on the other side. Like I said, you can make changes as you go on. Okay, all right, so now what we're going to do, we are going to use our concealer to clean it up and give us a nice shape that we are looking for. So okay, and So okay guys, so this is basically it. So if you still see a box right here, just take your brush or whatever and just go back and clean it up. Okay, so I like to go back and clean up just like that, and basically that's it. In less than 10 minutes, you guys, I am all done with my eyebrows. I know this is a problem for some people, so I try to do eyebrows as frequent as possible to help, you know, people to draw their eyebrows. So I have a stencil eyebrows coming up, so maybe that will help as well for some people that can't draw their eyebrows like me. So you know, I have a stencil eyebrows coming up. Maybe that will be another help as well. So yeah, but you know, keep doing this till you get your desire. So yes guys, so this is the brows. What do you guys think? Yeah, and like I said, this is the Wet n Wild pencil that I use. $4, you guys, just $4. Okay, just $1. And now look at my brows. Nice. And what do you think? Yes, and that's it. And this cut down the shininess of my brows. And yeah, you can use milk of magnesia. Like I said, I've used it already on my channel here as well. So I'll be using this again on another tutorial coming up. But for right now, yes, this is it. The Calamine lotion. Make your eyebrows less shiny. Yes, cut down the shininess, y'all. I know we use this for different things, but we're gonna use it for makeup. So yes, Google this up and see, you know, what it is and stuff like that, and you'll be all right. All right guys, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.